What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm videotaping you.
Well, okay,
You
this.
want to watch that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. Watch. See? What'd you do with the cover? You want red? Where's the cover? You gonna make a picture for Mima and Papa? And what about Nama and Daddy too?
Okay.
Just turn the page, you can do a new one. There you go.
It's the Emma word. Emma. E-O-G. Rita. Rita.
It's right here. You want to say hi to Nama and Daddy?
Yeah.
Just say hi.
Okay. Say hi.
You want to call them before you go to bed?
Yes.
Okay. When you're ready, you let me know. Okay?
Red top. Red top.
That's the right top.
No. Red top.
Want to see you?
Yeah.
Hold on. No, don't touch, Emma.
I want to Mama and Daddy.
Hold on. You're a little close. Hold on, I'll turn it around. You can see, okay?
Okay.
I can't figure out how to turn the light off.
On my house.
There we go. Now I got the light off. Okay, go stand over there. You can see you.
Mother! I have mother.
See, they're clean markers. They only write on special paper. They only write on this paper.
This paper.
Yeah.
Mother, on paper. Would you tape here now? Let's see. Oh,
Who's that?
the Emma.
That's Emma.
Oh, my eye.
Mm-hmm.
My nose. My ear. Up. Put my up. My chair. Come my down.
You gonna see your chair? And take a picture of you in your chair?
Nuh-uh.
You dancing?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
You gonna say hi?
Uh-uh.
No? That's the closet.
Oh, my.
Do something about your hair. It's sticking up like a porcupine.